Welcome to SharePoint video on term management tool. Let's explore how do you manage your metadata across the enterprise. Go to Site Actions, Site Settings. If you have permissions, you will see the link Term Store Management. Inside the Term Store Management tool, you have access to manage your groups, and inside the groups, the term set, and inside term set, the terms. Let's define what is term group. Term group helps you to identify people who can have access to modified terms inside the group. Whenever you want to change person who's able to modify your terms, you have to go to term group and change the group managers. Inside term group, you have ability to create new term set or import, or you can manage the existing one. In this scenario, we have projects and technologies. The term set helps you to put all terms that is classified under one classification group. For example, all projects are being put together under projects term set. The most used property for term set is the submission policy. You can have term set that is closed or it's open. If it's open for end user, it means that every user can add new item to that term set. If I'm trying to find a project and it's not already existing in that classification, I can add new one and use it. If your term set is closed, that means that only a few users who are term group managers can have ability to add or modify, delete the existing items. The clarification is the end user with the open set can add, but he cannot delete the existing one. Only term group managers have access to delete the existing items. After set, and the only thing to remember that we have submission policy to switch off or on openness of the collection. And under term set we have terms. For example, in this example we have ABC and it's actually tag for a company, and under company ABC we have project that's built for this company. You can see that there are kind of different representation for these terms. ABC kind of gray color and the project is black. What it means that an ABC we don't have ability for tagging. For end user, it looks like user wants to add the project for ABC, but he will not able to select the ABC itself, but he has to go and select specific project under company name, like this one. It is helpful to have this availability tagging to force user to use the proper terms to tag their documents. For example, in technologies, we want to be more specific what kind of technologies is being used, and in this perspective Microsoft is not really descriptive. That's why we have availability for the Microsoft is off, but we have several technologies under Microsoft that you can actually tag and use on your documents. And the last thing that you want to use extensively on terms are their labels. For example, I can have label technology SharePoint, and for some reason when I try to add technology, I'm trying to use WSS, one of the abbreviation of the foundation of SharePoint. And it will not show me as the available technologies, but I know it's the same as the SharePoint. So in this case, I can add other label for this term as WSS and then save it. And for end user, it will appear as like he wants to tag WSS. But for me, WSS and SharePoint are the same. That it will help user to easily identify the one term, even they use different terminology for this term. That's pretty much that's it. Thank you for watching. Happy SharePointing.